Hey, I'm Gus from G&G Mechanical Contractors. In today's video, we are taking off this Train rooftop unit and we will be installing a new York 20-ton rooftop unit that the bowling alley supplied for us through their bowling association program. This is one of my favorite parts of the job, getting to work with cranes and rooftop units. Look at it go down. And just like that, here's your new York rooftop unit installed. All we have to do now is set up the controls and test the air conditioning and heat. For all your heating and cooling needs, give us a call, 856-931-9231. Have a great day.